Welcome to Volcano Tenorio Glamping Ranch, located in the foothills of Volcano Tenorio, within the rural community of Rio Celeste, Costa Rica. This beautiful ranch sits on 23 acres of pristine rain and cloud forest. Within the ranch, you might have the opportunity to see a sloth, the variety of toucans, parrots, and of course the amazing white-faced and holler monkeys. Each glamping tent suite has a connected toilet room. Within the suite, you have high-speed internet, smart television, refrigerator, freezer, microwave, and all the cooking appliances needed for an extended stay. Also, while visiting our ranch, you can opt to choose either an exciting ATV adventure throughout the Rio Celeste community or a leisurely horseback riding tour within the Volcano Tenorio foothills. Either way, we hope you come and stay with us at Volcano Tenorio Glamping Ranch in Rio Celeste, Costa Rica.